We're a group of 3 student teachers from ITE Batulintang, and today we're going to be sharing with you a website that can be of aid to your online teaching. As we all know, the pandemic has caused schools to be shut down. This means that education has moved from the traditional face-to-face learning to online. It's difficult for both students and teachers to adjust, but we hope that we can help through this sharing. One of the biggest problems for online learning for teachers is definitely trying to engage their students throughout the class. Moving from one website to another, tab after tab, may cause students to lose interest in the actual lesson. Therefore, we introduce to you an all-in-one website which is Slido. Slido is an easy-to-use Q&A and polling platform for live or remote meetings, events, classes, and webinars. Any user that wishes to use Slido can set up an event in less than a minute, and it only requires a simple event code or link for the participants to join. Now, using Slido does not require users to download anything prior to an event, as they only need their favorite device and an internet connection to be able to join any events. Without further ado, let's look into the features available in this website.
First of all, click on the Create Slido button, then type your event name. To be able to create Slido, you must create a Slido account first. After that, you'll be able to see various polls such as multiple choice questions, word cloud, quizzes, open text, discussion, and ranking related questions. So here, I'll create multiple choice questions as an example. Here, type your question and your answers. Mark the correct answers to enable users to choose one answer only, and mark the Allow to select multiple options button to allow the students or users to choose multiple answers. Then after you're done, click Save. After that, in order to launch your poll, click the green play button here and share the link with your students through various media by copying the link. And then, click the Create a Poll to find other options such as word cloud, quiz, rating, open text, and ranking. For example, for quiz, you can set a timer for your students. I will take word cloud as another example. Type your question here. So here I ask, how do you feel today? And the responses will appear here. And as usual, click share in order to share it to other users or students. As you can see, the responses are here. If you don't have any idea on what types of questions to ask, Slido has provided a template based on different occasions, which makes it easier to handle. For example, for icebreakers, there are questions such as, what did you do? How energized are you feeling this afternoon? How did you get here today? And so on and so forth. So you can choose a lot of templates in Slido in order to create polls for other users, your colleagues, or your students.
With the wide range of tools and features available, teachers can use Slido to conduct a fun learning experience by combining the tools they see fit for the lesson. Now let's take a look at a situation whereby you want to teach year 6 students the tricky topic of tenses. What you can do using Slido to teach the lesson is share your lesson or lecture by embedding the link of your lecture video or other related videos required for the lesson so that the students have access to watch them. While watching the video, the students can ask questions and vote in polls right next to the live video, all in one tab. This feature allows you to interact with your students and answer questions on site. The questions can also be organized based on popularity, which allows you to determine which part of the lecture or lesson that needs more attention to cater to the students' needs. After watching the video lessons and going through the Q&As, you can also test their knowledge by giving them assessments through quizzes especially designed by you. And that was it from our group. Do tell us what you think of our presentation about Slido by answering the questions in the Google form that is linked in the description box. Thank you for watching.